to do an addition strategy that is when one addend is 9. It's called making 10. There's two ways we can do this. We can do it one way with manipulatives and one way drawing. The first way we're going to do is manipulatives. So my problem is 9 plus 5 equals what? Addend have trouble when they have an addend that doesn't have a 10 in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this apart. So I have 9 cubes here to show the 9, and I have 5 cubes to show the 5. What we're going to do is count off 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and break it apart. Students have been using the 10 frame. So I'm going to put the 5 here and the 4 here. Students then need to look how many more cubes we need to finish the 10 frame. 1 cube. There we go. We have a nice little 10 frame. And now we have some left over. We have 4, by counting, 4 green cubes left over. So students know 10 plus 4 equals 14. So what they would do is then write 10 plus 4. We're getting the 10 from the 10 frame, the 4 from what is left over, equals 14. When we're writing this out on a paper, we have 9 plus 5. We're going to use our fraction tree. So we broke this up to 1 to make this into a 10. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So we know 10 plus 4 equals 14. That is the first way we can do this. ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. All simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me. Second way we can do it. We can be using a 10 frame where we draw in the circle. We have the same problem. 9 plus 5 equals blanks. So we know that a 10 frame needs 10 dots. We know that one of our addends is 9 because our problem is 9 plus 5. So in one color, I'm going to draw 9 dots. Is it important when we do this that we make sure our students have 5 on the top row and then there will ultimately be 5 on the bottom row? I have 5 as my second addend. To finish off that 10 frame, I'm going to draw 1 dot in the 10 frame, and I know 5 minus 1 is 4. So there's going to be 4 outside the box. So there's two ways that then students can add this. They can go 10 and count on 11, 12, 13, 14, or they know 10 plus 4 equals 14. So our new problem would become 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now, for their test, they know that they're also going to have to do a number bond. On this number bond, we know 9 plus what equals 10. It's 1. Students will then circle this to know that they have 10, and they know that 5 minus 1 equals 4. So they now know 9 plus 5 is also 10 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. Here's a simple strategy that the students can then use to do addition problems, not only when one addend is 9, but also when one addend is 8.